What are rules of engagement in military briefings? Imagine you're in a situation where every decision could have serious consequences. That's where rules of engagement come into play. They are clear instructions given to military personnel that tell them when and how they can use force during a mission. These rules are created by commanding officers to make sure soldiers act within legal and ethical boundaries. They specify the exact circumstances that justify engaging with an enemy, like spotting armed adversaries or responding to hostile acts. Rules of engagement also set conditions that must be met before taking action. For example, soldiers might need to positively identify a threat or confirm that their safety is at risk. They also outline what kind of force can be used, such as the types of weapons allowed and tactics permitted. Protecting civilians and infrastructure is a big part of these rules, so soldiers know when they must avoid harming noncombatants. Who can approve an attack is another key point in the rules of engagement. It might be a commanding officer or a designated authority, depending on the situation. During peacekeeping missions, rules of engagement tend to be more restrictive, emphasizing restraint and defense. In active combat, they allow for more aggressive actions but still keep soldiers within legal limits. Special forces often have their own set of rules of engagement tailored to their unique missions, which may require higher-level approvals. In briefings, soldiers are usually given quick reference cards called rules of engagement cards. These cards summarize the main points so soldiers can consult them quickly in the field. Following these rules is vital because it helps soldiers make safe, legal decisions during complex operations. They also help prevent friendly fire incidents and ensure cooperation with allied forces, who might have different rules of engagement. Overall, rules of engagement in military briefings serve as a guide to help soldiers understand their operational boundaries. They balance the need to act effectively with the responsibility to follow laws and protect innocent people. Knowing and following these rules is essential for conducting successful and lawful military operations.